This sprawling facility is the heartbeat of Anduril's EagleEye production, integrating advanced AI and AR technology into every helmet.
Within the EagleEye helmet factory, this sterile clean room is crucial.
If we reinforce the visor mount here, we improve impact resistance.
But that adds too much weight to the front axis.
Yeah, we could offset it with a lighter composite shell.
Inside the reactor, technicians carefully control the polymerization of polyparaphenylene terephthalamide at 300 degrees Celsius.
Inside the furnace, UHMWPE powder is melted, then drawn into these fibers.
Utilizing handheld scanners, we verify the integrity of every Aramid plate. This quality control step is crucial for the helmet's protective capability. In evaluating options for the EagleEye helmet shell, we compare the smooth UHMWPE on the left against the textured Aramid on the right.
Scene 23. Preparing the shell. Here, the raw yellow Aramid sheets are unrolled and guided by hand into the initial shaping process for the helmet.
Transfer heated layers to high-pressure press for the shell of the EagleEye helmet, solidifying the protective casing. After pressing, the EagleEye helmet shells are rapidly cooled.
Secure wiring with adhesives and covers in the interior of the EagleEye helmet, protecting circuits that ensure reliability.
We are now inserting the custom foam liners. Proper placement of this padding is essential for the comfort and fit of the EagleEye helmet.
Shock-absorbing gel layers are applied to the foam lining of the EagleEye helmet, enhancing impact protection. The clear viscous gel is spread evenly with spatulas.
We're testing the liner comfort here on the EagleEye helmet. As you can see from the pressure mapping, the ergonomics are optimal.
We remove the existing mount and install the new black metal modular rail. Tighten the screws securely to mount accessories like this night vision attachment.
Finally, we meticulously clean and polish the interior lining, ensuring maximum comfort and an unparalleled user experience for the EagleEye helmet.
We're analyzing the shell integrity post-test. Collecting these ballistic remnants allows us to study the impact deformation and inform improvements for the EagleEye helmet. Apply anti-scratch coating to the exterior shell of the EagleEye helmet, adding protection that enhances surface longevity.